Scientists placed people inside a giant brain scanner while they were meditating. They wanted to watch the brain changing live in real time. This mission is called fMRI scanner and it measures blood oxygen. More oxygen means that brain area is working harder right now. In this video, you will learn what meditation really does scientifically. We will explain complex neuroscience in a very easy manner. So let us start. Scientists expected meditators to show slow, sleepy brain activity patterns. Instead, they saw powerful and organized brain activity changes. But the biggest surprise was not relaxation or sleepiness at all. The brain was becoming more efficient instead of less active. Normal thinking makes the brain jump randomly between many thoughts. Meditators showed coordinated brain activity like a well-trained team. This means meditation improves brain efficiency and energy usage. The brain learns to work smarter using less mental energy. To understand this, we must first understand how normal brains behave, because the normal brain is actually extremely noisy and distracted. Your brain uses around 20% of total body energy daily. This is huge for an organ weighing only 2%. Most of this energy is wasted on uncontrolled mind-wandering thoughts. Your brain keeps thinking even when nothing important is happening. Scientists discovered a special network responsible for this mental chatter. This network becomes active when attention is not focused. They named it the default mode network or DMN. This network activates during daydreaming and overthinking. The DMN activates when you replay past mistakes repeatedly. It also activates when worrying about future problems constantly. An overactive DMN is strongly linked to anxiety and depression. Depressed people show extremely high activity in this network. Scientists wondered whether meditation could calm this network. They compared meditators and non-meditators using brain scans. Meditators showed significantly lower activity in the default mode network. Their brains produced fewer random and repetitive thoughts. But a quieter brain sounds strange and even risky initially. Why would less thinking actually improve mental performance? To answer this, scientists studied attention control areas next. The next discovery explains why quiet brains perform better. Your brain has a special system called the attention control network. This network helps you focus on one task without distractions. This system works like a spotlight inside your brain. It decides where your mental energy should go right now. Modern life constantly attacks this attention system every day. Phones, notifications, and multitasking weaken focus over time. Scientists noticed shorter attention spans in modern digital lifestyles. Many people struggle to focus even for a few minutes. Meditation works like strength training for attention networks. Every session trains the brain to return focus repeatedly. During meditation, your mind naturally wanders many times. You gently bring attention back to breathing again. This returning action is the real brain workout happening. Each return strengthens neural pathways controlling attention. Brain scans showed increased activity in attention control regions. These regions became stronger after weeks of meditation. Participants improved focus and concentration in daily tasks. They made fewer mistakes during attention tests. Meditation improves sustained attention and reduces mental fatigue. The brain becomes better at staying present longer. But attention improvement was only part of the story. Scientists discovered major emotional changes in meditators. They decided to study the brain's emotional alarm system next. This system controls fear, stress, and anxiety responses. The emotional alarm is called the amygdala. It reacts instantly when the brain detects danger. The amygdala triggers the fight or flight stress response. It increases heart rate and releases stress hormones quickly. Modern life activates this alarm far too frequently. Work pressure and social stress trigger survival reactions. Scientists wanted to know if meditation calms this alarm. They measured amygdala activity before and after training. Meditators showed reduced amygdala activation during stress tests. Their brains reacted more calmly to emotional challenges. But the most shocking discovery was a physical brain change. Meditation actually changed the size of this fear center. Scientists compared brain scans before and after 8 weeks of meditation. They noticed visible structural changes inside the amygdala region. The amygdala region became smaller after consistent meditation practice. Yes, meditation physically reduced the brain's fear center. A small amygdala does not mean weaker emotions or feelings. It means fewer unnecessary fear reactions in daily life. Participants still felt emotions but reacted more calmly. Their brain stopped overreacting to small stressful situations. Stress hormones reduced significantly in meditation participants. They felt calmer even during challenging real-life situations. This happens because meditation activates the relaxation response system. This system is the opposite of the fight or flight response. But reducing stress is not the only emotional benefit. Meditation also strengthens the brain's decision-making center. Scientists shifted focus to the prefrontal cortex region. This area sits behind your forehead and controls complex thinking. The prefrontal cortex helps control impulses and emotions. It helps you pause before reacting emotionally. This region acts like the brain's CEO or manager. It makes logical decisions instead of emotional reactions. Stress and multitasking weaken this important brain region. Chronic stress reduces prefrontal cortex efficiency. Meditation strengthens this control center through repeated attention training. Brain scans showed thicker gray matter in this region. Thicker gray matter means stronger neural connections. This improves focus, planning, and emotional control abilities. Participants showed better decision making during cognitive tests. They made fewer impulsive mistakes compared to non-meditators. But emotional control was still not the final discovery. Scientists wanted to understand long-term happiness changes. They started studying the brain's memory and mood center. This region plays a huge role in emotional stability. This important brain region is called the hippocampus. It helps learning, memory, and emotional regulation. The next discovery explains why meditators feel happier. It also explains long-term mental health benefits. The hippocampus is highly sensitive to stress hormones. Chronic stress can slowly shrink this important brain region. A smaller hippocampus is linked with depression and memory problems. Stress damages connections needed for emotional balance. Scientists wanted to test whether meditation protects this region. They scanned participants before and after meditation training. After 8 weeks, the hippocampus showed increased gray matter density. Meditation helped grow new neural connections in this region. This means meditation supports learning, memory, and emotional stability. Participants reported improved mood and mental clarity. Scientists call this brain growth neuroplasticity. The brain changes structure based on repeated mental activity. But brain structure was not the only thing changing. Scientists also studied brainwave activity during meditation. Brainwaves show how fast the brain is operating. Different waves represent different mental states. Meditators showed increased alpha brain wave activity. Alpha waves represent calm focus and relaxed awareness. Alpha waves appear when the brain is calm but alert. This state improves learning and creativity. Longer meditation sessions revealed even slower brain waves. Scientists observed strong theta brain wave activity. Theta waves usually appear during deep relaxation and dreaming. They help emotional processing and memory consolidation. This explains why meditation feels deeply refreshing mentally. The brain enters a deeply restorative state. But the most shocking brainwave discovery came later. Scientists scanned long-term expert meditators. These meditators had decades of meditation experience. Researchers wanted to compare their brain with beginners. Experts showed powerful gamma brainwave activity. Gamma waves represent peak awareness and deep focus. Gamma waves rarely appear in normal daily life. They indicate highly synchronized brain activity. This discovery changed how scientists view meditation. The next part explains how fast these changes begin. Scientists expected meditation changes to take many years. They were surprised to see changes from the first session. Beginners showed reduced stress network activity immediately. Even short meditation sessions changed brain patterns quickly. This means meditation starts working faster than most people expect. The brain responds immediately when attention becomes stable. Researchers tracked participants for 8 weeks continuously. They wanted to measure long-term brain development. Emotional regulation networks became stronger over time. Participants felt calmer during stressful real-life situations. Meditation trains the nervous system to leave survival mode. The brain learns the present moment is safe. But meditation does not make people emotionally numb. Another surprising emotional benefit appeared in studies. Scientists studied compassion and empathy related brain regions. They compared meditators with non-meditators carefully. Meditators showed increased activity in empathy networks. They became more sensitive to other people's emotions. Meditation strengthens brain areas linked to social connection. It improves emotional understanding and kindness naturally. But meditation benefits go beyond emotions and focus. Scientists even studied how meditation affects pain perception. Participants were exposed to mild heat pain during scans. Researchers measured brain reactions carefully. Meditators still felt pain but suffered much less emotionally. Their brains reduced emotional reaction to discomfort. Meditation separates physical sensation from emotional suffering. The brain learns to observe sensations calmly. But one final discovery amazed the neuroscience community. Meditation even slows brain aging processes. Scientists compared older meditators and non-meditators. They analyzed age-related brain decline carefully. Meditators showed less grey matter loss with age. Their brains appeared younger in MRI scans. Now scientists finally understood the complete picture. The final part connects all discoveries together. Scientists combined all meditation research into one big conclusion. Meditation works as full brain training supported by neuroscience. It reduces the default mode network responsible for overthinking. This lowers rumination and repetitive negative thoughts. But that is only the first piece of the puzzle. Meditation also strengthens attention control networks significantly. Stronger attention improves focus and task performance daily. The brain becomes better at staying present longer. Meditation shrinks the amygdala and reduces stress reactivity. The brain stops treating daily problems like life threats. Lower stress hormones improve both mental and physical health. Calmer brains make clearer decisions under pressure. But meditation also builds emotional balance and resilience. The hippocampus grows stronger and supports emotional stability. Improved hippocampus function enhances memory and learning ability. It protects the brain from stress damage. Brain waves shift towards calm and focused states. Alpha and theta waves create deep relaxation and clarity. Expert meditators even show rare gamma brainwave activity. This represents peak awareness and high mental performance. But the most important discovery is surprisingly simple. Meditation changes the brain through repeated attention training. Every time you return attention to breathing, change begins. This repeated action strengthens neural connections gradually. Meditation is like daily gym training for the brain. Small sessions create long-term structural brain improvements. Better brain function leads to better emotional control and focus. A healthier brain creates a better daily life experience. Brain scans now clearly show meditation reshapes the brain physically. This ancient practice now has strong scientific support. Your brain changes when your attention changes daily. Meditation is simply the practice of training attention.